All right, let's talk about something that drives pretty much everyone on the internet crazy, YouTube ads. But what if I told you there's an insane, super simple trick? I'm talking a single character that just makes them vanish? Oh, you know the drill. You finally find that perfect video, you're getting to the best part, the big reveal, the punchline, and boom, an ad you can't even skip. It just completely shatters the whole vibe, doesn't it? Yep, we've all been there. You're trying to concentrate or just kick back and relax, and that ad slams the brakes on everything. It is the ultimate online frustration, and you just feel kind of powerless. Now, here's the wild part. What if the escape hatch has been right there the whole time, literally under our noses? And no, I'm not talking about some sketchy software or a browser extension you have to install. Nope, it's way, way simpler than that. Think one key on your keyboard. That is right. The fix for this giant, universal annoyance is microscopic. It's almost beautiful how simple it is. We are talking about a plain, old-fashioned dot, a period. So, okay, let's give this thing a proper name so we can really dig in. We'll call it the dot bypass strategy. All it is a way to get rid of those ads just by making one tiny little change to the video's web address. And get this is where it gets really interesting. According to the source material, the claim is that this trick, and I'm quoting here, bypasses ads for any videos. I mean, that's a pretty bold claim, right? It suggests this isn't just a random fluke, but maybe a real loophole. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This sounds way too easy to be true. So, how do you actually do it? Well, you're gonna love this, because the technique itself is almost laughably simple. Let's walk through it. It's literally 3 steps. That's all. First, you've got your YouTube video URL. Second, you just pop in that one tiny addition. Third, you hit enter and let the page do its thing. That's it. So the only question is, where does the dot go? And this shows it perfectly. Just look at the screen. The before is what you see every day. Now for the after, all you're doing is adding a single period right after the .com part. So youtube.com becomes youtube.com . It looks like nothing, but trust me, it changes everything. The second you hit enter, the page refreshes and poof, the ads are just gone. The pre-roll ad doesn't even show up. Your video just starts playing immediately. No countdown, no waiting, just the content you actually wanted to see. So really, the one thing to take away from all this is that this one little character, this dot, stuck in just the right place can completely change how YouTube loads a page and basically outsmart its entire ad system. It's a pretty fascinating example of a simple hack disrupting a really complex machine. And that, of course, leaves us with one big question. Is this just some temporary glitch, a little crack in the code that YouTube's gonna fix any day now? Or does this point to something bigger, a more permanent loophole in the way the internet itself works? For now, it's a neat trick, for sure. But it definitely makes you wonder what other secrets are hiding in plain sight.